To link Klarna financing, start by understanding what Klarna is and how it works. Klarna is a payment service provider that allows customers to pay for purchases in installments. Linking Klarna financing to your online store or e-commerce platform enables customers to choose Klarna as a payment option at checkout. First, ensure you have a Klarna merchant account. If you don't have one, sign up for a Klarna account on their official website. You will need to provide business and banking information to complete the sign-up process. Once you have a Klarna merchant account, log into your account dashboard and navigate to the integration section. Here, you will find the necessary API keys and instructions to integrate Klarna with your e-commerce platform. If you are using a popular e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, you can use pre-built plugins to simplify the integration process. These plugins will guide you through the process of linking Klarna financing to your online store. To complete the integration, you will need to configure the payment gateway settings in your e-commerce platform. This includes entering your Klarna API keys, setting up payment plans, and customizing the checkout experience. After configuring the payment gateway settings, test the Klarna payment option to ensure it is working correctly. You can do this by going through the checkout process as a customer and selecting Klarna as the payment option. Finally, once you have linked Klarna financing to your online store, make sure to provide clear information to your customers about the payment plans and terms. This includes the interest rates, repayment terms, and any fees associated with using Klarna. By following these steps, you can successfully link Klarna financing to your online store and offer your customers a convenient and flexible payment option.